Hey there, everyone. Big hello to everyone there at the Acthound team and everyone who showed up for the open house. I'm sure you guys are having a great time there in New York. For those of you who don't know, my name is Gabe. Well, I mean, why would you know? I'm actually have been helping out with the writing team there at Acthound for some of the projects and productions that they're planning to put into place within the next year or so, sometime in 2021. I've been doing that remotely, so I'm calling from beautiful sunny Los Angeles, which is not as great as it sounds. Don't move here. We tie Christmas lights on palm trees. It's really sad. But in addition to assisting on the writing team, like I've been doing, I've recently started production for a web series that was initially going to be shot entirely in Los Angeles. But after talking some more with Jaquan and some of the other members of the team there at Acthound, we worked out an arrangement where Acthound is going to be taking over parts of the production for some of the episodes, and they're actually going to be shooting them in New York. I think within the next few months, we've just got a few more crew positions to fill out as it goes, at least on the LA side. So, in exchange for their help with some of the production, we've actually worked out a deal where we're going to be giving first pick of first round auditions, any time slots that you guys want to any of the students that are currently enrolled or anyone who signs up tonight during the open house for any of the Acthound programs that are coming up. I I love what they do. I love the way they teach the actors as far as the stuff, that goes on that we have to worry about. Where, I mean, with all the Corona stuff, we're not even supposed to be talking to each other for more than 45 seconds at a time. So the way they train their actors and the way people are kind of on point when they come out of some of their classes just makes everything so much easier. If someone knows where to be, knows their places and things like that, so that we don't have to worry about it. It makes it so much better. But so far, for the shooting scripts that are ready, we've got about 8 paid roles that are going to be coming up within the next couple months. Some of those in Los Angeles and some of those in New York. So we're really excited to offer up some of those to the students who will be coming in. I know I'm really excited about the things that are going forward. As a matter of fact, I haven't told Jaquan about this, but he can get me the information later. Obviously, he's going to see this. Anyone who shows up to the open house, I think, whether you sign up or not for any classes, we've got some table reads coming up. So Jaquan can get me your info. I'll shoot you some links to the table reads, and those kind of act as preliminary auditions as we kind of work out some of the scripts that are still in development and see how the episodes are going to turn out. But yeah, we're really excited about everything that's going on. I'm really excited to get this started. And if I get a chance to fly out there to New York for the filming, I look forward to meeting some of you in person. But if not, I look forward to working with you and everything else that's going to be going on, both with Acttown and with our studio. We're really looking forward to it. And so keep up the great work. You guys are doing great out there. If there's anything that's the last year has kind of taught us, it's that performance art as a whole has become a bit of necessity, is helping people escape the kind of ugh that we're all in all the time. So you guys are doing great. Keep creating great stuff. Keep making art, and I look forward to seeing and talking with some of you more. Thanks now. Bye bye.